So today we are going to be making a new juice. This is actually burdock roots. I have heard amazing things about this, actually from Brandon Ahmad to be specific. Check out his channel. He drops all the gems, you guys. So he talks about this all the time. I've seen it at the farmer's market 1,000 times and I've always been kind of intimidated by it. Like, what do I do with this? But after further investigation on his channel, it's a lot easier than I thought. So let's go ahead and get into this. We're gonna be making a burdock root, Asian pear, key lime, and ginger juice. Now, I don't know if I've ever seen him peel them, but these look a mess. So I'm gonna peel them a little bit. And these are already washed and cleaned and everything, so like, look at this. Look dirty. And he suggested that you do the burdock. Why in the world I look like that? I don't like that. I hope it's supposed to be looking like that. It's green. I don't know. But he suggested that you do the burdock and the ginger separately because you can make tea. Let's see. Alright, that don't look too promising. And it sure didn't make a lot. So we got our nice dry pulp in here. Look at that. Put it to the side, put it to the side. There we go, put it to the side. Now let's add in our pears and our key lime. You guys, I'm kind of nervous, but apparently it tastes pretty good, so let's see. Apparently a little bit goes a long way, so we're gonna just do a little taste. Listen, I know this is about the health, so it is what it is. Wasting this good juice. Smells great. Ain't no way in the world. Damn. That's good. That is actually good. Y'all, make sure y'all go check his page out. Brandon Ahmad. I will tag him down below. Brandon, thanks, dog. You the man. I cannot believe this. It tastes like, I don't even know how to explain it. Y'all know I'm not gonna tell a lie.